Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the perfect order to watch and download DC movies. Whether you're new to DC or a longtime fan, this list will help you follow the action-packed journey of Superman, Batman, Wonder Woman, and more. Let's get started. 1. Man of Steel, 2013. The first film in the DCU, introducing Superman's origin. Available on HBO Max, Amazon, iTunes. 2. Batman v Superman, Dawn of Justice, 2016. Superman faces off against Batman. Available on HBO Max, Amazon, iTunes. 3. Suicide Squad, 2016. A team of antiheroes is assembled for a dangerous mission. Available on HBO Max, Amazon, iTunes. 4. Wonder Woman, 2017. Diana's origin story set during World War I. Available on HBO Max, Amazon, iTunes. 5. Justice League, 2017. The Justice League comes together to face Steppenwolf. Available on HBO Max, Amazon, iTunes. 6. Aquaman, 2018. Arthur Curry embraces his Atlantean roots. Available on HBO Max, Amazon, iTunes. 7. Shazam, 2019. Billy Batson transforms into the superhero Shazam. Available on HBO Max, Amazon, iTunes. 8. Birds of Prey, 2020. Harley Quinn leads a group of female heroes. Available on HBO Max, Amazon, iTunes. 9. Wonder Woman, 1984, 2020. Diana battles Maxwell Lord and Cheetah in the 80s. Available on HBO Max, Amazon, iTunes. 10. Zack Snyder's Justice League, 2021. A 4-hour director's cut of the original Justice League. Available on HBO Max. 11. The Suicide Squad, 2021. A new group of antiheroes takes on a dangerous mission. Available on HBO Max, Amazon, iTunes. 12. The Batman, 2022. A new take on Batman with Robert Pattinson. Available on HBO Max, Amazon, iTunes. How to download DC movies. You can download DC movies from platforms like HBO Max with subscription, Amazon Prime, purchase or rental, iTunes, purchase, Google Play Movies, purchase. That's it. You're now ready to watch and download DC movies in order. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Happy watching.